Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Penny and Inko. I'm Penny.
And I'm Inko. Hey, hi friends!
Today we have something really special for you. We're going to teach you one simple trick that will make you sound fluent immediately. Like, seriously, you can use this today,
Ooh, I'm excited. Even I want to know this trick.
right? So if you're new here, we make English learning fun and easy. We're all about real English, not textbook English. And hey, if you like what we do, please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. It really helps us.
Yes, subscribe. We love you.
Aw, we do. Okay, so Inko, let me ask you something. When you started learning English, did you ever feel like you knew all the words, but when you spoke, something felt wrong?
Oh my gosh, yes, all the time. I would say things like, I am agree with you.
Exactly. See, that's the thing. Many learners know vocabulary, they know grammar, but they still don't sound natural. Do you know why?
Why?
Because native speakers don't speak in single words. We speak in chunks, little packages of words that always go together.
Chunks, like chocolate chunks?
Yes, but English chunks. And this is the secret, everyone. When you learn chunks instead of single words, you sound fluent instantly.
Wait, can you give us an example? I'm confused.
Of course. Okay, imagine you want to say you like something. A beginner might say, I think it is good, right?
Yes, that's what I would say.
But a native speaker would say, I'm into it, or I'm a big fan of it, or it's totally my thing.
Oh, so instead of building a sentence word by word, we use these ready phrases.
Exactly. These are chunks. And when you use them, you sound confident, you sound natural, you sound fluent.
Wow, this is actually so smart.
Right? So let me give you more examples. Let's say someone tells you good news. What do you usually say?
That is good?
See, that's grammatically correct. But natives say, that's awesome, or no way, or seriously? That's amazing.
Oh, these are chunks too.
Yes, they're reaction chunks, and they make you sound excited and natural. Let's practice. Inko, imagine I tell you, I got a new job.
That's awesome.
Good, but say it with more energy.
That's awesome. No way. Seriously?
Perfect. See how natural that sounds? Now, everyone listening, you try it too. Say it out loud with us. Ready? That's awesome.
No way.
Seriously?
Hey, this is fun.
It is. And here's another important thing. When you use chunks, you don't have to think about grammar. The grammar is already inside the chunk. It's automatic.
Oh, so I don't need to worry about am or is or are?
Exactly. For example, instead of thinking, I am going to the store, just use the chunk, I'm heading to the store. Or even better, I'm gonna run to the store.
I'm gonna run to the store. Wow, that sounds so natural.
Right? And notice how I said gonna, not going to? That's another chunk. Natives connect words together. We say gonna, wanna, gotta.
So I wanna go home.
Perfect. Not I want to go home. That sounds like a robot. But I wanna go home sounds like a person.
This is so cool. What other chunks can we learn?
Oh, so many. Let me give you some super common ones. Are you ready, everyone? Get your notebooks.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, first category, everyday chunks. When someone asks, how are you? Don't say, I am fine, thank you. That's too formal.
What should we say?
Say, I'm good, thanks, or not bad, or pretty good, or if you're excited, I'm great.
I'm good, thanks. Oh, I like that. It's so short and easy.
Exactly. Short chunks are powerful. Okay, next one. When you don't understand something, don't say, can you repeat, please?
No? But my teacher taught me that.
It's not wrong, but natives say, sorry, what was that? Or come again? Or just what?
What was that? Oh, I hear this in movies.
Yes, movies and TV shows are perfect for learning chunks. Okay, here's another situation. someone asks your opinion. Instead of, I think maybe yes, use these chunks. I'd say yes, or I guess so, or yeah, probably.
I'd say yes. Wait, what is I'd?
Great question. I'd is a chunk for I would, but we never say I would in casual conversation. We always say I'd.
So I would like becomes I'd like?
Perfect. I'd like a coffee. Sounds natural. I would like a coffee. Sounds like you're reading from a book.
Haha, this is changing my whole life.
Right? Okay, everyone, let's practice together. I'm going to give you a situation, and I want you to use a chunk. Ready?
Ready.
Situation 1. Your friend shows you their new phone. What do you say?
That's awesome.
Good. Or you could say, that's so cool, or nice, or love it.
Love it. Oh, that's easy.
See? These short chunks are gold. Okay, next one. When someone asks if you want pizza, you really want pizza. What do you say?
I'd love to.
Perfect. Or I'm down. Or sounds good. Or for sure.
Wait, I'm down? What does that mean?
Good question. I'm down is a super casual chunk. It means, yes, I want to do that. Like, do you want to watch a movie? Yeah, I'm down.
Oh, I'm down. I love it. That sounds so cool.
It does. Now, here's a secret. The more chunks you know, the less you have to think when you speak. Your English becomes automatic.
Automatic English, that's what we want.
Exactly. So let me teach you some more essential chunks. These are for when you're having a conversation and you need time to think.
Oh, yes, I always panic when I need to think.
You don't need to panic. Just use filler chunks like, let me think, or, good question, or, well, or, you know what?
Wait, these help you sound fluent?
Yes, because natives use them all the time. When you say, let me think, you sound natural, you sound confident, and you give yourself time to find the right words.
This is genius. So instead of silence, I can say, let me think.
Exactly. Or, that's a good question. Or, how do I put this? These chunks make you sound thoughtful, not nervous.
I need to write all of these down.
Yes, and here's another type of chunk that's super important. Agreement chunks. When someone says something and you agree, don't just say yes. Use these. Totally, or for sure, or absolutely, or I know, right?
I know, right? I hear this everywhere.
Because it's perfect. Let's practice. Inko, I'm going to say something and you agree with a chunk. Ready?
Ready.
English is hard sometimes.
I know, right?
Good. This weather is beautiful today.
Totally.
We should practice English every day.
Absolutely.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds? Now, everyone at home, practice with us. When I say something, you agree using a chunk. Ready? English chunks are amazing.
Say it, everyone. Totally. Or for sure.
Learning English should be fun.
Come on, say absolutely. Or I know, right?
This is great practice. Now, let's talk about conversation chunks. These help you keep a conversation going.
Oh, yes, I need these. Sometimes I don't know what to say.
No problem. When someone tells you something, use these chunks to show interest. Like, really? Or, no way. Or, that's crazy. Or, tell me more.
So if someone says, I went to Paris, I can say, no way, that's amazing. Tell me more.
Perfect. Now you're having a real conversation and you sound engaged and friendly.
This is so much better than just saying, okay or yes.
Right? Okay, here are some more chunks for different situations. When you're leaving, don't say goodbye, see you later. Use these. Catch you later, or see ya, or take care, or talk soon.
Catch you later. That sounds so casual and cool.
It does. And when you're thanking someone, instead of thank you very much, try these chunks. Thanks a lot, or I appreciate it, or you're the best, or just awesome. Thanks.
You're the best. Aw, that's so nice.
It is, and people love hearing it. Okay, here's a fun one. When something is obvious, natives don't say, of course. We say, duh, or obviously, or no doubt, or you know it.
Duh.
Haha, that's so sassy.
It is. Use it with friends. Like, do you love pizza? Duh.
Do you want to learn English? Duh.
Perfect. Now, here's something really important. Some chunks show that you're listening actively, like, I see, or got it, or makes sense, or fair enough.
So when someone explains something, I say, got it.
Exactly. It shows you understand. It keeps the conversation flowing. Native speakers do this constantly.
Makes sense. Oh, I like that one.
Me too. Okay, let's practice a full conversation using only chunks. I'll start. Inko, do you want to grab lunch later?
Yeah, I'm down. What are you thinking?
Maybe that new Thai place?
Sounds good. What time works?
How about one?
Perfect. See you then.
Awesome. Catch you later.
Wow, that whole conversation was chunks.
Exactly, and it sounded completely natural. This is how natives speak. We use these ready-made phrases all day long.
So the secret to sounding fluent is learning these chunks and using them?
Yes, instead of learning individual words like acquire or purchase, learn useful chunks like pick up or grab. Instead of I am very tired, say I'm exhausted or I'm beat.
I'm beat. What does that mean?
It means very tired. See, it's a chunk. One phrase, clear meaning.
This is so practical. How can we learn more chunks?
Great question. Watch English shows and movies. When you hear a phrase that sounds natural, write it down. That's a chunk. Also, listen to how natives respond in conversations. Notice the little phrases we use.
So like pay attention to the small words?
Exactly. The small chunks are powerful. Things like sort of, kind of, by the way, speaking of which, anyway.
By the way is a chunk?
Yes, it helps you change topics smoothly. Like, I love that restaurant. By the way, are you free this weekend?
Oh, so it connects ideas.
Exactly. These little chunks make your English flow naturally. Okay, everyone, here's your homework. This week, learn 5 new chunks. Use them in real conversations, practice them out loud, make them automatic.
5 chunks. That's easy.
It is. And next week, you'll sound more fluent. Trust me. Start with the ones we taught today. That's awesome. I'm down. I know, right? Sounds good, and catch you later.
Those are perfect starter chunks.
They are. And remember, everyone, you don't need perfect grammar to sound fluent. You need natural chunks. When you use these phrases, people will think, wow, their English is so good.
Because you'll sound like a native.
Exactly. Okay, let's quickly review what we learned today. The secret to sounding fluent is using chunks, those little packages of words that native use all the time. Instead of building sentences word by word, use ready-made phrases. Learn reaction chunks like, that's awesome, and no way. Use filler chunks like, let me think, when you need time, and practice these chunks until they become automatic.
Yes, and watch movies, listen to podcasts, and notice how natives really speak.
Perfect. You know what, Ingo? You're getting so good at this.
Oh, thanks. I'm learning from you.
We're learning together, and that's what this podcast is all about, making English fun, easy, and natural. So everyone, remember, speak in chunks, not words. Your English will improve immediately.
Immediately, like magic.
Yes. Okay, friends, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps us.
Yes, and leave a comment. Tell us your favorite chunk.
Ooh, great idea. What's your favorite chunk from today? Let us know.
And we'll see you in the next episode.
Catch you later, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.
Love you all.
Love you. Bye-bye.